Gynecological Oncology Unit OBGYN Jenims, along with Department of Pathology, Jenims and B. Barua Cancer Institute, Guwahati organized gynecological cancer screening and awareness program. Campaigned on Rashtriya Poshan Ma addressing malnutrition carries out led by Infal East DC Itabali. And members of Chingmairong, Mamang Laikai, Mairapaibi and residents blocked National Highway number 2 against non-repayment of loans. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambanduram presenting you the Sunday afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of the day. Gynecological Oncology Unit OBGYN, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenims, along with Department of Pathology, Jenims, and B. Barua Cancer Institute, Guwahati, held one-day gynecological cancer screening and awareness program in views of Gynecological Cancer Awareness Month today. The event was held at the residence of MLA of Yaskul constituency, Thokchomd Saityavarta in Bamon, Laikai. Various womenfolk of the constituencies were conducted cervical cancer screening during the program. Speaking at the event, Vice President of Trained Nurses Association of India, Manipur State Branch, Eld Sanjarani stated that a Foundation for Women's Cancer has been observing the month of September as Gynecological Cancer Awareness Month in countries across the world since 1999. Asserting that the event was mainly held to raise awareness and provide an overview of cervical cancer, including causes, information and warning signs to the womenfolk. She maintained that the awareness program aims to enlighten on the preventive measures and treatment of cervical cancer. District Administration Infal East DPO ICDS cell of Infal East District and Infal East Jila Parisad jointly organized a Gram Sabha meeting at Community Hall of Kurai Putiba today as a part of the one-month-long observance of Rashtriya Poshan Ma to emphasize the need for healthy nutrition. Kurai Nandaibam Laikai Gram Panchayat, Kurai Konsam Laikai Gram Panchayat and Laishram Laikai Gram Panchayat attended the meeting. Water filters were distributed to selected Angalwadi centers during the meet. Experts of relevant department also demonstrated on how to prepare oral rehydration solutions and wash hands properly, as well as stressed on the proper guideline of breastfeeding. A campaign rally on Rashtriya Poshan Ma was also carried out led by DC Infal East Rangitabali from Community Hall of Kurai Putiba till Lamlong.
Rashtriya Poshan Magi koi celebrations thama chathaba celebrations sigi manungda each and every gram panchayat lairiba Anganwadi centers mayam sida work tawriba Anganwadi workers mayam si felicitate taw haibani koi si Anganwadi didi saina kauraga moibo koina ikai khumnaba utpa madugi potu ngasi koina masai sa pangthok chabani adra ngasi sigi haudok charaga different gram panchayat singda igi Infal East lairiba 50 gram panchayat sing sida pradhan sing sina koi Anganwadi centers sida work tawriba Anganwadi workers mayam si felicitate tawani adra maru ina igi program si the fully convergence da koi tawani health ki am achowa thodang lairi masai sa jila parishad ki thodang amna chauna lai education department ki
Singhat Battalion of Churachandpur Sector, Assam Rifle under the age of IZAR South conducted a free medical camp at Laikai village in Churachandpur district yesterday. A lecture program on good health and hygiene was also conducted as a part of the camp. Free medicines were also distributed during the camp. Ignite Club Singjamai Mayengbam Laikai will organized My On switch to Prism of Possibility from September 14th to 15th at Sangaitheld Park and Resorts in Infal West District. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Ignite Club office today, Club Managing Director Ngathemed Chinglemba stated that youth empowerment is required to bring changes in the society. He asserted that the club is organizing such events to unite the talented youths and let them share their ideas and views in the platform. Maintaining that many resource persons from the other countries will also participate in the event, Chinglemba stated that many competitions exclusively for youths will also be held as a part of the program. Attending the meet, Students Empowerment Executive of Ignite Club, M. Jesse, stated that prior to the men's event, a workshop on beauty parlor and makeup will also be held on September 13th. Stating that 6 ticket counters, especially for the workshop, is also opened, she invited interested persons to join the workshop.
Tang laiba tang tramari amasung tang tranga September sida akoina mayon the prism of possibilities switch to the prism of possibilities adna akoina program ama sinjari maruna sinjari ba si akoigi laiba naha sing sigi damakta moigi punsi phirep ki damakta sinjaba program amani maruina youth sing sida moigi personality adagi moigi self development amasung global exposure amagi khudong chaba phangnaba amasung pinaba akoi nahasing si lairiba sing sina world sida join tawba ngamnaba productive force ama oinaba idamakta simjaba platform angkhangni tang laiba
Tawalikon Kangleipag held the first Laimril Thambal Memorial Program at Uttra Sanglen in Manipur Palace today. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba, Queen Anamika, Irom Piba, Irom Joy Chandra, Mangang, and many eminent persons graced the event. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba also released a publication on the memorial program on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba recalled that many have exceeded the throne in the history of Kangleipak. He extolled Queen Gomti Irom Thambald, who ruled beside King Pamhaiba, for her prodigious roles and bravery. He asserted that the event was mainly held as a reverence to late Queen Thambald and her notable works.
Laimadel Wakibi Thambal Irom the Ongbi Sigumba Mayam Gomati Haragas Kanama Sigma Thambal si Pasi Kogi Puadida Magi Chanabam si Ire Lataba Panagumana Sumhak Siam Kogi Onatainana Magi Maramda Ekogi Haibiba Magi Maramda Ibiba Lana Kanbiba Haibatari Wadi the Loramba Haibadi Matamduda Ekoisi Ekogi Lajaramba Lining like Solpunamoxi Tadoga Atopa Anova Lining like Solamada Kana Sankalak Pagedugumba Awaba Yam Aki Bagedugumba Eko Puari Tanka Aduda Ekogi Ningola Mana Kogi Lebaxi Tungi Kalaga Tungi Mirol Gitamuta Kalaga Mana Lokiba Tungi Mirol Gisaktam Gana Baman Logo Toganga Do Mado Ekoi Ningsing Boina Mado Ekonski Tom Pangtopani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on members of Chingmairong Mamang Laikai Mairapaibi and the residents blocking National Highway number 2 against non-repayment of road. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News. Members of Chingmairong, Mamang Laikai, Mairapaibi and peoples of the area block National Highway number 2 Infalt Dimapur Road from Chingmairong Khongnang Anikarak till Sangakpham today. Speaking to media, one protester, W. Usha Lema, stated that the protest was being carried out against the failure of the authorities concerned to repair the deplorable road. She further warns of intense agitation if the road is not repaired latest by September 12th.
Ese number 2 olaba Chief Minister Masamaki Lambisu Oriba asi Hanayang Bidre Sing Isao Mayok Nare Ta Kangdana accident Tokana Awaba Kaya Mayok Narpoda Sarkagi Magedagi Ngasi Boda Kayumamta Yangsan Birakwa Late Koisu Isai Sagi Pesa Puketagi Putokuna Semdan Sazali Dubu Man Bubagarina Minute Kangdana Zapana Maram Oiduna Ngasi Tolaga Zuhayang and Dumak Namday Aduna Koi Perching Mayrong Paza may be in the Tamoy Sona Nungaitre Sangakwan Bazadagina Honang Karpogi Lambi Ase Atubama Tamdangasi date like the Gina date to a September date to a Pogi Manunda Chief Minister Masamang Nami Junction Bidergadi date to a Tagidi Miam Humna Akan Mokongjang Chang Bahina Koi Wari Malogere.
Assam Rifles sieges drug worth 2 crore 2 lakh rupees in the international market in the early morning of September 6th. The drugs were seized during frisking a bike along Machi Chaleb Road at Machi subdivision in Technopol district. The seized items were handed over to Technopol police. The former Union Law Minister and noted lawyer Ram Jethmalani, one of India's finest criminal lawyer, passed away this morning at the age of 95. Jethmalani was bedridden for a week and had lost a lot of weight. Ram Jethmalani breathed his last at 7:45 a.m. at his official residence in New Delhi. His last rites will be performed in the evening at the Lodi Road Crematorium at 4. Commenting on Jethmalani's demise, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Twitter expressed that the country has lost an exceptional lawyer and iconic public figure. Mastermind Abacus Lalambung Makong Center felicitated those students who bagged medals and participated in the Northeast State-leveled Mastermind Abacus competition 2019 held at Guwahati IIT on August 25. President of SBI Pensioners Association Manipur, T.H. Rohini Kumar, and Director of Mastermind Abacus Lalambung Makong Center, M. Munindro, graced the event held at Maikley International School today. Speaking to media, coordinator of the center, Eld Sharmila, stated that Mastermind Abacus has been taking major roles in improvement of the mental arithmetic calculation abilities of youths using various kinds of up-to-date techniques.
Mastermind Abacus na piriba kanabasidi it's endless haitare maidi masi khaktani hainingai lekte ado Mastermind Abacus se akoigi masigi program se akoigi sense organ kai se coordinate tawhalaga angang kai sida makoigi multi concentration lainanaba adugumba program amani multi concentration khaktana te makoida photographic image lakani then memory hankalakani concentration many things haidi magi learning skill de hankalakani listening ability hankalakani mangonda confidence hankalakani overall personal development lakani mangonda.
Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Gynecological Oncology Unit OBGYN Jennings, along with Department of Pathology Jennings and the Barua Cancer Institute Guwahati, organized gynecological cancer screening and awareness program. Campaign rally on Rashtriya Poshan Ma addressing malnutrition carries out led by Imphal SDC, Rangita Bali. And members of Chingmairong Mamanglekai Maira 5B and residents blocked National Highway number 2 against non-repairment.